What if every mosquito on Earth disappeared overnight? You'd probably be happy, right? But here's what would actually happen. Mosquitoes are a primary food source. Their larvae feed fish. Adult mosquitoes feed birds, bats, frogs, spiders, and reptiles. Remove them, and entire populations lose a major part of their diet, especially in wetlands and the Arctic. Then plants start disappearing. Many mosquito species are pollinators. In cold regions, mosquitoes pollinate flowers that bees don't visit. No mosquitoes means fewer plants, which means fewer insects, which means fewer animals. Then water systems break. Mosquito larvae filter organic waste in ponds and swamps. They recycle nutrients and help control algae. Without them, water chemistry shifts. Algae blooms explode. Oxygen drops. Fish die. Yes, mosquitoes spread disease. That's true. But eliminating all of them wouldn't remove danger. It would remove balance. Nature doesn't care if something is annoying. It cares if something is necessary. And mosquitoes, unfortunately, are.